National Electrical Code (NEC) addresses conductor colors in Article 110.12, titled Colors of Conductors and Equipment. This section specifies the color identification requirements for various types of conductors within an electrical system. Subsection focuses on grounding conductors. Grounding conductors are identified by being bare, green, or green with one or more yellow stripes. Insulated conductors with a continuous green outer finish are also designated as grounding conductors. Subsection B pertains to circuit conductors, which are further divided into phase conductors and neutral conductors. For phase conductors, the NEC specifies acceptable colors for AC systems. The allowed colors are black, red, or blue, and yellow, orange, brown, or gray. Neutral conductors must be white or gray. Equipment grounding conductors are identified by being green or green with one or more yellow stripes, or bare. Subsection C, identification of conductors, requires that conductors be identified by their colors in accordance with the guidelines outlined in subsections A and B. If unidentified conductors are present, they must be marked with tags or other approved means to identify their function. It's important to note that colors like yellow, blue, orange, red, and blue are not listed in NEC code as standard conductor colors for general power distribution. While these colors might be utilized for specific purposes such as signaling or control circuits, they are not commonly used for standard power wiring. Adhering to these color codes is crucial for electrical safety and proper system identification. Correct color coding helps prevent accidental shocks, short circuits, and other hazards. It also simplifies troubleshooting and maintenance, as electricians can quickly identify the function of each conductor. In summary, the NEC provides a clear framework for conductor color identification to ensure safety and facilitate efficient electrical work.